Now is UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin Hong. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure, Liz.
All right, the big question now is, will the FDA give the okay to Johnson & Johnson, and how soon could we be seeing those shots being finally rolled out?
Well, Liz, the meeting is around October 15th, and as soon as the next day, I can imagine people able to get it. But I think, as usual, there's going to be the FDA meeting, then the CDC is going to ratify it. So that may, in reality, introduce a few more days after the FDA ruling.
Now, research shows the effectiveness of the Pfizer vaccine gradually wanes over time. What do we know about the single-shot J&J vaccine or even Moderna?
Well, the interesting thing about J&J that's different from Pfizer and Moderna is that the protection remains stable over many months. Actually, J&J has some 6-month data, and they show that the antibody levels don't really decline as opposed to Pfizer and Moderna. And disease remains protected evenly at around 80%. So it's kind of a different beast, but nevertheless, it's not initially as great in terms of preventing infection as Pfizer or Moderna.
Well, let's talk about face masks now. Santa Cruz County dropped its indoor mask mandate, citing lower COVID numbers there. Do you see the same thing happening for other Bay Area counties? And do you think that they should drop the mask mandate eventually, given the numbers?
Yes, definitely. There's no turning back right now. We're on the train moving downwards from the peak after July with Delta. I don't think we're going to get another surge. And it's not if the face masks are going to be removed in terms of a mandate, it's only when.
I want to circle back to COVID and kids. We're about a month away, hopefully, from the younger children being eligible to get the vaccine, but we're still seeing a number of children getting it at school. Now, in your research and your findings, do you think that kids are contracting COVID from other students on campus, or are they getting it at home and then bringing it into the classroom?
Well, the vast majority of research shows that kids are getting it from the community and bringing it into schools. And certainly Florida, I think, is probably the best example of that. San Francisco County, on the other end, has 0 transmissions, at least identified within the schools. Most of the cases have come from the outside, and probably speaks to the bodyguards or the wall of immunity around these kids under 12. With a vaccination rate that's high in the Bay Area for adolescents and adults, you're really protecting the kids really well.
Yeah, it's remarkable how well this area has done, no question. And then circling back to the vaccines and the 8 to 12 group, do you still think you see that happening around Halloween, maybe the first week in November?
Yes, definitely. Right now it's in the FDA's hands. And, you know, given how fast they took with the adolescent EUA amendment, about a month, we think that it will be around the time of Halloween or before, so you can hopefully get a treat after your vaccine under 12.
I think that works. A little Snickers bar after you get the jab. I think a lot of kids would approve of that. All right, Dr. Peter Chin Hong, thank you so much.